Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Salem from Forest River. This is a 27RLSS. It's a rear living with super slide. You can see the Salem on his chest up front here. Bright silver and blue colors combo going on. T6 aluminum will never delam on you. Power hitch jack. Locking compartment doors. Power jacks. Push of a button. You got jack stability. We got a double door system here, but this door doesn't go into the bedroom like a lot, and I'll show you why once we're inside. Outside here, we got a power awning with outside speakers. Down below, we have alloy wheels. Solid step entry. It's got the big wide first step. From a safety standpoint, this is just the way to go by far. Here's the model, 27RLSS. I got the rear upper windows, rear window, and a fold down rack. Spare tire mounted on the rack. Fold that rack down, you can bring the bikes along, the tents, or whatever you have that you bring into camping fun. Inside, open her up, a couple steps up, and here we are. And it is like new. In fact, this was on a dealer's lot who is no longer in business, so we're selling it as a used trailer here. It's got these two chairs, matching sofa bed, dinette. This also makes into a bed simply by dropping the table down and reconfiguring the cushions. Nice big windows here to soak up that nature view. Hopefully you're not looking at a bunch of travel trailers when you're camping. Roller blinds instead of those annoying day-night shades that always seem to break. Storage overhead, hidden hinges, solid countertops, dual basin sink, gooseneck, flex hose, I should say. Flex nose wouldn't be quite right, would it? Underneath we have pots and pans storage, silverware drawers, the oven. As you can see, it hasn't been turned on yet. Stainless steel, either stainless or brushed aluminum on the refrigerator freezer combo here. Got a lot of pantry storage. There's storage up above the fridge as well. Central entertainment center right here up front. There's storage underneath, jacks for the television, plug-ins, USBs, and a linear series receiver, AM, FM. See this door? If you're out by the fire and you want to use the bathroom, you come in, boom, you're right there. That easy. You don't have to come through and disturb everyone. You're not going into the bedroom if someone's sleeping. So anyway, in the bathroom here, we got a foot flush toilet, a nice magnetic shower stall with the skylight up above, sink, medicine cabinet, linen storage. Speaking of storage, see these, rather than just having a square corner here, they put in storage cabinets. That's a kind of cool idea. On to the bedroom. Queen size bed. There is storage underneath. We've got wardrobes on both sides. There's a laundry chute right here. If you put your laundry basket down below in that compartment, it makes it real easy to collect your laundry in one spot. USB plug-in as well as regular plug-ins, reading light, overhead storage, and a spot for an additional television if you so desire. In this like new Salem from Forest River, 2019 27RLSS is right here at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay.